a good life, a state of well-being, fulfillment, and societal harmony has a timeless human endeavor. Technology undeniably expands human capabilities, offering solutions to practical needs and desires. It provides convenience and efficiency that enhances daily life. In our contemporary age, technological advancements have become inseparably linked to this pursuit. From communication and information, access to healthcare and sustainable development, technology's influence is undeniable. This exploration delves into how these advancements have facilitated the campaign for attaining a good life, examining the interplay between innovation and human flourishing.
Good morning, how can I help you? Please sit down.
Good morning, Doc. Good morning, Doc. I use a health app to check about my symptoms, and it suggested I see a doctor.
That's great. Technology helps us with early diagnosis. Let's run some quick tests. Inhale, exhale. The result will be given in a few minutes. Please wait. Here is your result, sir.
That's fast, Doc. Before, it takes days or even weeks to get results.
Yes, with digital records and telemedicine, healthcare is now more accessible and efficient.
Thank you so much, Doc. Technology really makes life easier and healthier.
Thank you, sir.
Hi, ma'am. I'm a blogger and I'm in the market for a new project. Do you have any recommendation?
Sure, we have a great selection of projectors that are perfect for vlogging. What kind of features are you looking for?
Well, I need something with a good image and quality and a long battery life. I also want it to be easy to set up and use.
Yes, I think I have the projector for you, and this is our latest model. Has a high resolution display and a battery that can last up to 4 hours. It's also very easy user friendly, and it comes with remote controls. It's very easy. Of course, follow me to our demo rooms and I will show you how it's works. Go.
Go!
Follow me, mom. You're welcome. If you have any question or need further assistance in the future, don't hesitate to contact us. Thank you. Good day, ma'am. Yes, miss. Welcome to TechProd. I couldn't help but notice your enthusiasm about gaming. Are you looking for something specific today?
Yes, I'm looking for new gadgets that can enhance my new setup gaming.
Are you looking for something specific today?
Yes, miss. I'm looking for new gadgets for my new gaming setups.
Well, you've come to the right place. I'd like to introduce you our latest addition, this powerful speaker laptop. This laptop comes equipped with the high-quality speakers that deliver an immersive sound.
This laptop sounds amazing. I'm definitely interested. You know what? I'm going to take this laptop home and start gaming right away. And I can't wait to share my new gaming setup with you guys on my streams.
Great choice, ma'am. I'm sure you'll love this laptop. And this laptop will not only enhance your gaming experience, but also allow you to share those experiences with your friends and followers.
Technology has revolutionized how humans seek to live a good and satisfying life. From a better communication, it has made a life easier each day, enhanced well-being, and brought the world closer. Although there are challenges, but the contribution of technology towards obtaining a good life cannot be disputed. By wisely and responsibly using technology, we can further improve our way of life and build a future where innovation brings greater happiness and success.